Hi everyone, in this video we will be seeing how we can automate a screen of a web application from scratch without writing any script in Breez application in less than 5 minutes. We will be automating the first page of this web application from the scratch. For that, we have to copy the URL of this page and go to the Breez application and create an entry in the target system by clicking on the create target system button. So I'm just providing the URL and then I'll provide the starting and just provide the name of the application. Let's say Tick Insurance online app. And then I will be uploading one file which has the fields which I want for the automation, like prefix, first name, last name, whatever fields I want that the system should extract. That field I will be mentioning in simple in Excel sheet, and then upload that particular Excel sheet. I will just select the file and then click on create button. In this particular you can see the system has started creating the project batch and now extracting the web elements, and it will extract those web elements which we have entered in the input file, in the filter file, the fields, the names of the fields and all. So it's extracting it one by one, and using those elements it has created the steps and objects, and using those steps, system has created the test case and mapped the steps so that when the system automate this or when execute this test case, system knows what steps it has to execute, and in the even the sequence also has been picked up by the system automatically. And you can see the configuration is completed, and now we are into the automation screen where system has created the project automatically, created system has created the batch automatically. And now the only thing left for us is to just provide the data during which will be used during execution of the test case. So I'll be providing the first name here. First one is the title. We can see this one is the title of the, title field. So we will be entering the title. And then the first name we will be entering. Let's say we've entered the first name, then we have entered the last name. It is also possible for us to generate the data automatically. So for example, phone number, I want that the system should generate it. I can just provide any number here. Let's say I want it from a phone number should start from the 8, start from 8. So I will just provide the numbers here. Okay, and then here I'm just providing. And then I'll just provide an email number, email ID, whatever email ID I want to enter. And this one is the language drop down. And this one is the type of insurance which I want. So it's a language I've entered and type of insurance I want travel, and some comments about travel. I've entered something and then I'll save the data. And now system will attach this particular test case with the data and verifies whether all the data has been entered correctly or not. And once the verification is completed by the system, you can see the submit button is enabled, and then the automation begins. Automation is taking place in a headless mode, so will not be opening a browser, and once the system starts automating, you'll be getting the screenshots. You can see the first screenshot has come over on the screen, wherein the very first step is to enter the title. So system is entering the title here, and then system has entered the name, first name, and then entered the last name, and then entered the phone number, and then the email ID. Right side, you can see what step is currently getting executed. It has selected, you can see the drop down on value also getting selected, has entered the comments also, and here right side, whatever steps getting executed, what data we have entered, all those information, we can get it here. And once system has clicked on this free code button, and we got a message that thank you very much for this. So target system has captured that particular message, so it has moved the to the next screen, and this completes the test case. We get this message also that automation is completed, and one test case was there, and that is passed. So that is also coming up, and one zip file also get downloaded. You can see that the zip file also getting downloaded. We can see this which has report screenshots and all. We can also see this report in a UI format. I'll quickly show that. We can go to the batch execution screen, which is like the latest. This one is the latest which we have executed just now, and and we can see the report. So this is how the report also comes up. So these all this project batch, everything is created automatically. On the test case, you can see the test case got created. And you can see these are the steps which system has executed and whether it is pass, fail. This is the data which we have entered. So all the data also is coming up. And and if you want to see the screenshot of each step, you can just click on it and you can see the screenshot also. So this is how quickly we can, execute any test case, any web application of, using Breeze without writing any code. That's the main thing, that we don't have to write any code, and the configuration and the execution, everything happens very, very quickly. So yeah, so that's all. Thank you so much.